Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga's wife Minnie has left Zimbabweans speculating after posting a cryptic message referencing Venezuela and warning that it's going to be a long week. In a Facebook post, Mrs. Chiwenga wrote in Shona and English, "Pandakataura mashoko ashefu wedu ekuti Venezuela is very far from Zimbabwe, hamuna kunzwisisa mashoko angu. Onai manje kwazvave. It's going to be a long week," she said. The post loosely translates to, "When I earlier told you people that Venezuela is very far from Zimbabwe, you did not understand my words. Now see, it's getting tenser. It's going to be a long week." Many of her followers were left confused by the reference. "Mama, who taught you to speak in tongues? Please come back and explain," one user commented. Another one wrote, "Even reading comments is not helping to get the gist of it." Other commentators appeared to read the political meaning into the post. The Venezuela phrase has previously circulated on Zimbabwean social media during periods of economic uncertainty, often used as a warning against hyperinflation or political instability. Mrs. Chiwenga did not provide further clarification in the post. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.